to the Art of War YouTube page. I'm Adam Fugitt. Today we're going to talk about a couple of different passes, one from full guard and one from Z guard. First one we're going to go over is the handcuff pass. It's kind of a sneaky pass I like to use, and once I kind of get that arm secured, I like to really slow things down. It's not about getting through, it's about inflicting that punishment as you're moving through the progression. I'm working through this, maybe with some strikes, get them to block, pummel in, slide to the wrist. I'm going to lift my hips up, come to my toes, and walk over the hand, passing it to the other side. If at any time they got their hands on the mat, I'm just going to immediately start attacking that. Drop my weight down, raise my hips, and step over. After I pass that hand, I want to really just staple this knee in to the back. That's going to help keep this arm secure. From here, I'm going to use some punches. The second I feel his legs break apart, that's when I'm going to start going through with my pass. Like I said, once that happens, I really start slowing stuff down. I'm going to really try to get as much damage inflicted here as possible before I lose this hand. Okay, and I can just use that to go right into my side control. So as I said, if at any point the hands are down on the mat, we're going to take advantage of that right away. Here we'll be up in full guard. Maybe I'm throwing some strikes, getting his hands up. The second I get a hold of his wrist, stacking, passing, taking that angle. I've cut him in half and I've jammed my knee right behind the tailbone. And now here I am going to go back to my strikes. Second the legs open up, I'm pushing down, passing over, and now just really trying to take advantage of strikes. Thanks for joining us again today. This is Adam Fugitt and Robin Williams.
Hey! Sorry, okay, I ruined
The man, the myth, the legend.
I ruined that shot, my bad. Anyway.
This is the Art of War YouTube page. Thanks for joining us.